With the crypto market having a bit of a recovery today, XLM is gaining back some of those losses that we saw over the last couple of days. So we're going to talk about what's in store for XLM in the next, coming little bit here. We have some pretty bullish news on Friday, and we're going to get into what's going on. Is XLM going to outperform XRP this week? Well, we'll see. So let's jump into it in this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and also follow me on X if you're watching over there, because I post on X and I try to keep everybody up to date on cryptocurrencies as much as I can. And it's I like to have some pretty good discussions, and I like to hear others' opinions as well. So hit me up on X, and hopefully we will have some dialogue, because I love hearing others' opinions on cryptocurrency as well. So XLM up 9% in the last earlier today. Will it outpace XRP like I mentioned? And we have a pretty big deal coming up on Friday. We're having the first ever White House Crypto Summit is coming up on Friday. So that is something that we're going to be watching, because this could really move the price. It could also bring some volatility, maybe offer some opportunities for trading, swing trading, maybe accumulation, that kind of thing. And XLM, I think, is one that's going to do very well, because its relationship with XRP obviously is something that we have to take notice with, right? So today it reached a high of about 30.8 cents in the Wednesday session. XLM was gaining traction today along with the rest of the cryptocurrency market. Like I mentioned, it's been coming back up nicely today. Not too crazy, but with less swings that we've been kind of used to seeing over the last little while. However, it is nice to see a little bit of recovery there. But XLM today, with gains from today, is surpassing XRP a little bit here. Price increase in Stellar XLM coincides with the broader crypto market recovery. So that's pretty much what's going on there. It's not a Stellar issue. It's not a Stellar thing itself. It's just kind of following along with the market, right? We can see here, this is the chart. This is actually I wonder if I can blow that up for you guys a little bit here. There we go, a little bit. All right, so this is showing the moving averages here. This moving average 200. We've got the 50 up here, and Stellar and XRP have always kind of correlated in price movement. Like I mentioned, I actually talked about this on numerous videos. A lot of times when XRP moves, XLM follows suit. But in recent days, they've indicated a slight decoupling from that. Either the assets are outpacing others in gains. Right now, XLM is outpacing XRP, just very, very marginally, right? But the announcement of the Crypto Strategic Reserve on the weekend included XRP, ADA, Sol, Bitcoin, ETH, and XRP had surged 35% on Sunday from that news only. And XLM only saw 13% gains in that time frame, because it wasn't included in this strategic crypto reserve. However, there is opportunity, in my opinion, for more cryptos to be added to this thing. I really don't think Trump has solidified his choices. I think we're probably going to see that thing grow in excess, right? And XLM is one of the U.S. cryptocurrencies. We can see that by jumping over here on CoinMarketCap. Go over here to USA, and it gives you the USA coins by largest to smallest, right? And we've got the next one, in my opinion, I'm looking at HBAR, and I'm also looking at XLM, I think, and Litecoin could probably be included in that as well. That's just my opinion. I'm just sharing that with you guys. So what's ahead right now for XLM? Well, Monday resulted in over 1 billion in liquidations, and XLM fell from that 36 cents down to 28.9 before recovering yesterday. And really what that shows is pretty decent resilience for XLM, because some of the other cryptos had fell even harder that day. And, I think XLM is showing that it's definitely resilient in that regard, right? It's currently trading between its moving averages of 50 and 200, like I showed you on the chart up here. That's the 200, and this is the 50, and it's in between, right? You can see how that line just comes down here and right up here, and it's still hovering in the middle there. So that is also something that we are watching here. So the averages of 50 and 200 are at 36 cents and 25 cents. So a break above the daily SMA 50, we could see a target of about 51 cents or 63 cents next. I think, to hit that 63 cents, we're going to have a pretty large, run up, and we're have to have a pretty big catalyst, I think, in order to push that. But I think it's doable. I really do, because I think that's kind of where we saw that resistance last time. We got up into the 60s, and then we kind of had a little bit of a take back there. But The support remains a daily SMA 200 at about 25.8 cents. So there's a few analysts out there that are saying that we could see a 300% price increase of a bull rally if a breakout from a symmetrical triangle pattern is validated for XLM. So hopefully that's something that we will see here soon. So let's jump back over. We're going to take a look at CoinMarketCap and just see kind of how the rest of the market's faring out today. We can see we are up about 2.49% over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin's sitting right now back above 90 at about 90 and a half K, and Ethereum sitting at 22. I still think Ethereum has a lot of recovery. It has a lot of traction to make up. Ethereum's been really lagging, so it's really sucks big time. But Bitcoin Cash is coming up on top today in the top 100. Ondo is in second, and we've got Aptos. I believe Aptos just was listed on, I want to say Robinhood or something, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it was Aptos was, anyways, there's some news for them. And there's a couple other cryptos that are coming up with double-digit gains here today. So that's pretty much what's going on with the market today, and that's what's going on with XLM as well. So this is not an XLM issue with the drop in price over the last couple of days. This is just the broader market. We're seeing a ton of volatility, especially because of Donald Trump's tariffs. The financial markets right now are just a bit unstable, and traders are have a little bit of fear there. There's uncertainty, there's doubt, there's a ton of that going on right now, and we're not going to see any massive moves up until we get some really good catalyst, really good news going on in the market. I think if things go well Friday, then we could potentially see a pretty nice move for crypto. Hopefully everything is going to go well on Friday. We'll be obviously I'll be keeping you guys up to date on what's going on there. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Follow me on X as well if you're watching there, and I'll keep you guys updated and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.